Joc de traducció. No facis això. Podria ser perillós.
Don't do that. It could be dangerous.
Si tinguera temps, t'ajudaria.
If I had time, I would help you.
Sempre és difícil començar en un treball nou.
It's always hard to start in a new job.
Malgrat el terrible oratge, els alpinistes van arribar al cim.
Despite the terrible weather, the climbers made it to the summit.
Hauries de vestir més amb roba negra. Et para molt bé.
You should wear more black clothes. It really suits you.
Es fa tard. Anem-nos-en a casa.
It's getting late. Let's go home.
Perdona, ja duem mitja hora esperant.
Excuse me, we've been waiting for half an hour.
Estos microchips es fabriquen al Brasil.
These microchips are produced in Brazil.
Com que fa tanta calor, ara sopem fora de casa.
Since it's so hot, we now have dinner outside.
Algú em pot ajudar amb l'equipatge?
Can anybody help me with the luggage?